Hello my dear students. Students, in this video we are going to discuss the topic non-cooperation movement. Beta, this movement was the first major nationwide movement launched by the Mahatma Gandhi. As I told you, Mahatma Gandhi launched three major movement which were said to be the national movement, a mass movement. Among these three movements, non-cooperation movement was the first one. Second was the civil disobedience movement, and third was the Quit India movement. So in this video, we are going to study about the non-cooperation movement. The decision regarding the launching of the non-cooperation movement was taken in the session of the Indian National Congress in the year 1920. Between 1920, two sessions of Indian National Congress took place. Generally, only one session took place in 1 year of the Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress जो उस टाइम की मेजर पार्टी थी, उसका हर साल एक सेशन हुआ करता था in the month of December at the end of the year. But whenever there was any emergency in such condition, there might be the chance that the two sessions took place. One session was of December, which was the regular session. Apart from that, at the emergency time, if any other session occurred. The same situation took place in the year 1920 also. In 1920, there were many grievances, many problems which got accommodated, and there was the need for the launching of immediately one national movement. The causes were like the Rowlatt Act was passed, and there was the agitation against the Rowlatt Act. So one of the cause was the anti-Rowlatt agitation. Another was the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Third cause was the Khilafat movement, which was launched by the Ali brothers, and only Muslims who were participating. That's why, as I told you, Mahatma Gandhi thought of launching the nationwide movement in which both the communities, Hindus as well as the Muslims, got united against the common cause, that was to fight against the Britishers. And the fourth cause was the economic distress, which was caused due to the First World War. So economic problem during and after the First World War. These were the causes behind the launching of this non-cooperation movement. So in 1920, one of the session took place in the month of September at Calcutta, and another session took place in the month of December at Nagpur. But it was decided in the month of September in Indian National Congress session of September 1920 at Calcutta that they have to launch one nationwide movement called the non-cooperation movement. But some members of the Indian National Congress were not in favor, because in the month of November there was the council election. That's why they do not want to boycott those elections. That's why some of the members of the Indian National Congress were thinking of not to launch any such movement. So this problem, this dispute between the members of the Congress gets settled down till the month of December, and in December 1920 Nagpur session, it was finally the decision was taken regarding the launching of the non-cooperation movement. So whenever the question is asked when after which Congress session the non-cooperation movement was launched, so the answer is the December session of the December 1920 session, which took place at Nagpur. After that, the non-cooperation movement was launched. Students, in this movement, the main demand which were put forward by Mahatma Gandhi was that of Swaraj. Means in non-cooperation movement, the people demanded the Swaraj from the Britishers. What was the meaning? What is the meaning of the Swaraj? Swaraj means self-rule. Means they want the self-government in their country. They do not want the Poom Swaraj full independence. They want the participation of the Indians internally in the internal matter of the country. So this is known as self-rule. They want to rule their country themselves in the internal affairs. So it was the first time that the Swaraj was demanded in the non-cooperation movement. And along with this, the charkha became the symbol of the Swadeshi, and Mahatma Gandhi asked the people to boycott the foreign goods and to adopt the Swadeshi goods, indigenous good like that of the khadi. Khadi and hand-woven cloth were popularized by the Gandhiji, and it was asked by him to use these items, means the Swadeshi items made in India, and boycott the foreign good which were coming from the Britain. And Mahatma Gandhi also when the non-cooperation का मतलब बेटा क्या होता है, means not to cooperate. In this movement, through this movement, Mahatma Gandhi asked the Indians not to cooperate with the Britishers, and because of this, Mahatma Gandhi also returned his title of Kesare Hind. महात्मा गांधी को ब्रिटिशर्स ने पहले केसरी हिंद का एक टाइटल दिया था, that was also written by the Mahatma Gandhi in non-cooperation movement. Okay, but as I told you in the previous video, the movement was going on well, but after the Chauri Chaura incidents, Chauri Chaura कहाँ पर है? East यूपी में, as I told you, at the place गोरखपुर. गोरखपुर में जगह है. In Chauri Chaura incidents, as I told you, one police chowki was burned by the people who were protesting in support of the non-cooperation movement, and in that tragedy 22 policemen were burned alive, and because of that violent incidents which took place on 5th February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi withdrew the non-cooperation movement on 12th February 1922. Okay, so remember from here, when the movement was started, it was started in the month of December 1920, and it was withdrawn on 12th February 1922. The question, if the question is asked why the non-cooperation movement was withdrawn by the Mahatma Gandhi, because of the violent Chauri Chaura incidents. Okay, and the question, in the competitive exam, the question can also be asked that which title was returned by the Mahatma Gandhi during the movement. So Kesare Hind title. The question can also be asked in the form that who was given the title of the Kesare Hind. So Kesare Hind ka title kisko mila tha? The title was given to the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so this is all about this topic. These were the causes behind the launching of the non-cooperation movement. Thank you all.